went to AOSR and I did my internship for 2 weeks at IKEA in South Portugal. IKEA is not only a furniture store but also has a restaurant which I worked at for the internship. Internship experience was also to be in the logistics department and help them move stock to the shelves. I also needed to wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning to make it work. All the workers were really welcoming to me, and they teach me a lot of stuff, how they do stuff in the kitchen. I also learned how they operate and how they store all the food and how they prepare all the food.